Which type of immigrants will survive in Portugal in 2025 and after 2025? Which type of the changes in Portugal immigration, or we can say what is the future of Portugal immigration? Family appointment will open or not open, and what is true scenario of the family opinion realistically? Article 92, which look very famous, very popular, results are coming, not coming, and what is the modification immigrants must do in case of Article 92? They should go for Article 92 or they should not go for Article 92. The people who are planning realistically or factually that we want to settle in Portugal, which techniques, which methodologies, which strategies they must adopt so that they will be successful. Why I am telling all immigrants will not be absorbed by Portugal in the future? Yes, many Portugal immigrants have to leave in the future, and many immigrants will be able to stay. All immigrants will not be able to settle in Portugal in the future. What will be the future of undocumented and illegal individuals? Professional people, skilled people who can work and they have some skills, by which method they should go to Portugal for absolute success. You got country out letter. Is there any technique? Is there any way still to stay in Portugal and to save yourself? These are all informations I will give in this clip, little bit long clip, because now I will explain all things by different angles, and it will definitely add knowledge when you are in Portugal, when you are outside Portugal, because immigration knowledge is most important factor in spite of going to different consultants, in spite of going to different agents, in spite of going to the different lawyers. If you will not understand your case may be mishandled, misinformed by any second person. You can go to the lawyer, you have to go to the lawyers, but if you say that your agent or your consultant or your lawyer will handle absolute without your knowledge, and if you will not know anything, definitely they will not weight your application, and your decision, your primary objective is very significant for your immigration success, especially in Portugal. This clip will tell most important things going on in future regarding Portugal immigration. My name is Irfan, Ashraf, you already know, channel name you already know, and I always explain by different technique the immigration predictions, analysis, and the solutions of the problem, especially of the developed countries. Now, please record this clip and save this clip and listen again and again. You will not understand now, and you will make claims, sir, you recorded a lot of long clip and I am not able to listen. But this is not long clip. This is just 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You can increase the speed of listening, but this will save your time to going to different consultants, agents, begging. Information which I am giving you will be helpful in Portugal. Immigrants, for all Portugal immigrants and upcoming Portugal immigrants. First thing, that all Portugal immigrants will not be successful now. Whatever the party selected, I am not going to discuss politically. I am telling immigration system of Portugal. All people will not be successful. What was going in the past, you are with skill, you are without skill. You are legal, you are illegal. You are with the paper, you are without paper. You are undocumented. Even you have nothing, still you are able to settle. No, it will not happen now. They are going to select useful immigrants in the future, The immigrants who are useful for them, they will allow them to stay, and the people who are not useful for them, and definitely they will keep giving country out letters and use less individuals, which I will explain later on as well. They will receive more country out letters in the future. The news are there. Therefore, I will say tricky immigrants will be able to stay in Portugal. Tricky, they will understand Portugal's current laws changes, new rules, and they will know immigration system of Portugal. They will make changes in their personalities. They will make changes in their skills. They will make changes in their acts. They will be able to stay. If you will not update yourself with new Portugal's law, with new evolutionary Portugal's rules and laws, you may not be able to survive. I go to topic one by one. I go to the family appointment. A lot of topics I have to discuss in this clip. Be realistic now. I am very sure now. Family appointment openly may not open in Portugal, at least for 2 to 3 years. This is my prediction. I may be wrong, and I wish that my prediction may wrong, but I will talk regarding past facts, what's actually going on, and past backlog of applications, statements of immigration officers, dimensions of new party which is selected, and the objectives of the ministers and the prime ministers, past prime minister and expected prime ministers. All details I am sharing by my analysis. Family appointment openly, I was also telling it will open, they will form new app. All YouTubers were telling, but now this is my thinking, this is my 7 cents. Family appointment may not open ever, but at least for 2 to 3 years, I am not watching that they will open family appointment. Now question is, if family appointment will not open, this rule is present in Portugal's constitution that immigrants can invite families from their home countries. This is the only country who allows families to bring into Europe. All European countries do not allow. Norway do not allow. People do not go to the Portugal for money. They go for this thing, that they will be able to bring their families. What they must do. I am clarifying one thing. I am telling you one thing. People are still bringing families. People are still bringing families. They are still getting family appointment. What I told AIMA, Immigration Department, I don't think in next 2 to 3 years they will openly say that we open family appointment. And they will say this is the app. When they will open app, you just tell me, thousands and thousands of immigrants getting resident card. And each immigrant has almost 8 to 9 family members, including father and mother. Will they invite all kids, all mothers, fathers? One immigrant they are not able to handle. One case of TRC, they are in backlog and they are not able to process in required time because immigrant numbers are exceeding their limit. How they stitch 9 members with one immigrant? Never. They will not open. They will not generally open. Now the way I will tell you, I told you still the people are going only one way. Legal way. This family appointment will remain in Portugal's law. They will not cancel, and they will simply admit that if some immigrants try their efforts to get family appointment through the court and court orders us, it means only some appointments we have to give. Otherwise, we will give general announcement. We will do that family appointment is open. We have to finish resident card of primary applicant, main applicant case will be finished. because we will not be able to handle. So they may follow this policy. Therefore, if you are waiting that you will be able to get your appointment by AIMA in the future, and if some YouTubers are talking about just wait on, hold on, I was also telling, but I will say realistically, factually, to save your time, this time is not going to come recently or in recent future. You have only one way to get appointment, through authentic lawyer. This is also a question that people are not getting their reward through the courts as well. I will say lawyers' quality, lawyers' superiority, lawyers' selection is the technique. If you will not select good lawyer and you will save your money, I am not able to understand. This is the matter of your life. Immigration is the matter of your life. You left your home, you left your house, you left your parents, you left your family, and you are staying in such country in which your expenses are very difficult to afford. Salaries are less. You are in a normal wages. Your residence issue is the problem. Your language barrier is there. And you are just living hand to mouth, and you just want to complete 5-7 years to get passport. My question is, why you are not consuming money to hire a good quality lawyer? But not only money, this is your investigation. If I am telling you these things, why you don't think yourself? This is the question. You have same mind which I am speaking, and you are listening me. Why you don't create these points yourself? Lawyer selection is important. I will not select any ordinary lawyer, because lawyer will spoil my case. This is the problem. Some people are getting good results by lawyers, and some people are not getting good results through the lawyers. I will say in both cases, in family appointment, in Article 92, if you have hired good lawyers, they are getting fruitful results. They are producing appointments. Especially you need to check they are registered with Immigration Department, number one. You need to check, have they done such cases earlier? You have to check how much cases they have done earlier of Article 92. If you are going in Article 92, if you are going in family appointment, how many people they have done in family appointment, you have to check. And what was the success rate, you have to check. By doing this, you will be able to implement such changes in your immigration cases that you will get results not in months, not even in the days. When you write in my comments, I am not getting result through the court, only problem is the weakness of your case, because your lawyer did not made your case strong. Remember, your case is feeble, your case is weak. Your authentic lawyer can make case very strong, because they have huge mind, they have huge stories, they have huge legal points. They can lift you from the soil and can lift up to the sky your case, and your case goes into that's the lawyer. The case goes to the court, and judge decide in first minute after studying the file. This is the SOP of the case, story of the case. He study according to rules of Portugal. He says that this man deserve a resident card. Same case, same Article 92. And other case, when you will make poor story, poor case, poor background, poor profile, I will say, in front of the judge, same judge will say he is not deserving for Article 92. That's why I am compelled to speak these words in this clip. So please, selection of the lawyers, your case depends almost 100%. This is the thing. Now go back to another topic. Tricky people will settle in Portugal. If you are outside Portugal, if you are tricky, if you are magical individual, if you are having all knowledge of Portugal's recent laws and all changes in Portugal recent laws, you are just have same knowledge general knowledge of Portugal's law one lawyer have. You are in touch with all legal matters of Portugal. AIMA, what AIMA is doing, then you are eligible. Then you will do those things which are required by immigration department of AIMA. All people, if you are a person want to enter still in 2025 through undocumented way, and you are ready to give money to agents without 99% immigrants have no information when I will go to this country what I will do. When they will reach, they have no idea. They did not know they entered by illegal way. They did not know even. And they gave money in pounds, in dollars to the agents, and agents have one duty to earn the money only. They are not fair with the people, most of them. And they just want to earn money, and they put them on wrong way, and some of them lose their lives as well. Some of them lose their time as well. Illegals still sitting in Portugal. First of all, I am talking to you illegals. If you are inside Portugal, if you did a log file before closing of Article 88, Article 89, I am not talking to you. I am talking to those illegals who are currently in Portugal. After closing of Article 88 and Article 89, I think you have no chance, I will not say, because I am not a pessimistic individual. I am not a pessimistic counselor. But I will say there is very less chance, approximate nil chance. You will get legal status, and you will get appointment, and you will get resident card. But you will say, sir, doors cannot be closed. Yes, doors cannot be closed. Doors are always open. You listen my clip. I told you the way. You go back. You go back. I am telling you, you are wasting your time. Because you are not earning in thousands and thousands of euros. If you are earning a lot, that you are sending money to your people, to your home country, or you are able to survive financially, and you are financially independent individual, I will say no problem. I know which salary you are taking. I know 850, 900, 915 euro per month are just not able to fulfill your residence and normal eating. How you will survive your family? You are not able to buy your clothes as well in this salary. And these salaries people are not getting. I am talking about well-off people who are doing good jobs. They are getting this salary. Otherwise, you are getting even less than that. I got reports. You have only one way. I think, in my opinion, you can talk with any other individual as well. You have to leave Portugal, in my opinion. You will be satisfied mentally. I know you are illegal and you are thinking all the time. Any person can come to you and he can tell you that you are illegal. You please take this country out letter, deportation letter, and you are scared. Man, I will say one of the best way for you, go back to any other Schengen country or home country and then come by legal visa, any legal visa. This is the very easiest way. Any tourist visa, any work permit visa, job seeker visa, you have, you are human. Why you people don't search skills in your personality and use your tricky skills in getting immigration by right way? Wrong way is wrong way. They will put you in trouble throughout your life. Yes, they were giving illegal immigration. In that time, I was also not telling you something. Now they had planned their future. Europe, whole world has planned. Portugal also planned. If you will say Portugal did not say, no, they had planned. And they confirmed to their authorities. And they are announcing little of it also, that and this is not Portugal, European Union new rules, that they will not entertain undocumented illegal individual agents. please don't send people by illegal to any country, especially in Europe. They will not get status. Portugal is not going to, they closed illegal immigration. After file locking, closing of expression of interest, they clearly mentioned if anyone will be illegal, he is not entitled to get the resident card. Now I will speak to the immigrants who are upcoming and they are sitting outside Portugal and watching dreams astray that I want to settle in Europe. Please search those skills which are required in Portugal now. You have to open websites, you have to open companies, because now Portugal in future is giving credits to the companies that you hire your people directly from the overseas. Yes, if you have any relative in Portugal, if you have any friend in Portugal, if you have any good consultant in Portugal, you can tell him, please, I will not come by tourist visa. Please, I will not come illegal way. Search any job for me and produce any work permit. And this is my skill. Don't say that produce work permit of that skill which you don't have. Your skill per work permit, which you possess. If you are barber, say, please produce work permit of the barber. You will be relaxed and just you are drinking a sweet cup of tea. You will be home in the home country, you will be relaxed. When you will reach Portugal, you will say, I am still in home country, because you are not having trouble. When you will feel trouble, then you will remember your parents, your kids, your wife. Oh my God, where I come. When you will sleep in your footpath, when you will not get job, when you will be rolling stone, when you will be begging money from the others, you will be a beggar. Why you will become beggar? If you have you are human. Each human has skills. You did not research. You are not tricky immigrant. You did not do tricky immigration. This is the point I am telling in this clip. Now you will say, sir, I am without skill. No problem. You just contact consultant and you just open any website. Which type of skills are required in Portugal? You just talk with any consultant, good lawyer. They will tell, this is the profession Portugal wants in future and now. And they will issue work permit within 20 days. They are giving visa in 20 days from the embassies if you are required by the companies. Then what you need, you have no skill. I understand you have no skill. Now in your home country, you have to learn that skill. When you will learn that skill in 6 months, in 1 year, just 6 months required. It's better you will be rolling stone for 10 years in Portugal, or it's better you will get 6 month training in your own country. This is not a training, this is a practical. You will do with full dedication, with enthusiasm, that I will go there, just you will go there and work with the work permit. Within 3 months you will get resident card. And even you will not wait for passport, because you are successful, you are getting money, you have job, you have skill, you are paying taxes. You will say, I will stay here. Many barbers, true barbers, not fake barbers, those are fake barbers who got barber skill, who did not get barber skill, but they say they are barbers to stay in Portugal. True barbers who got training, believe me, they are earning triple, quarter money than normal people. And even both couples are earning money. Husband and wife both are earning. I still remember many interviews of the families, that husband and wives, and they are leading, and they shifted from UAE, even United Arab Emirates. UAE, remember, they will not give you passport. And they did very tricky, this is called a tricky immigration. Immigration is a magic. And you should use this magic by honesty, not by illegal, undocumented way. If you will try to get the things by inverted way, those things will give you trouble. You know, people having country out letters now, 18,000, and people are telling they will stop, new government will come. No, no, they will continue. They will continue. You have to modify your status. You have to modify your thinking with immigration laws. If you will not develop anything, if you will not get any status in Portugal by Portugal new rules, if you will not be aware of new Portugal immigration AIMA updates, you will not update your status, you will remain vulnerable. Any normal security officer can insult you and can give you a country out letter. You have chance to stay after country out letter because you got country out letter, no problem. Forget you got country out letter. Forget. Just think what are your positivities when you entered Portugal. Any positivity, any good thing which you did inside Portugal, any positivity, any negativity, forget. Positivity, for example, you was doing job, you was paying taxes, you did some good works. Go to the good lawyers. He made story. This man got country out letter. He did not come under Portugal's law, but he is very useful. As at the start of my session I told, immigration systems need useful immigrants now inside Portugal. If you are useful, and as I told you, when the lawyer will make a story, that story making is a skill. Like student SOP, statement of purpose. When you write statement of purpose, visa officer says, this is the right man for Canada. Judge of Portugal, when story is made by lawyers in a perfectual way, in just I am 100% sure that within first 5 minutes, the judge decide that I will give him appointment or not. I will give, in this case, positivity or negativity. He decides by watching your profile made by your extreme experienced lawyer. I will request Portugal immigrants, please, if you have good lawyers, name their numbers. You think that their results were good, you please write in my comments so that my followers can get information, because they will definitely tell me, sir, please name the lawyers and name this thing. Now question Article 92. All people are running towards Article 92, Article 92. This is the only way. Agents are talking, consultants are talking, and all people are talking about. You tell me only one thing. Only one thing you tell me. And this will be a learning for me as well. If all persons are talking, this is the only way to get the resident card, you just tell me. I am just joking with you. You just tell me. Immigration department did not know. AIMA did not know. AIMA blocked Article 88, Article 89, and you are talking on in all social media, all consultants, all lawyers, all agents, no problem, still immigration is open, just admit your students, you are 50 years, you are 40 years, you are 45 years, you are 35 years, you are getting admission in any diploma, you are qualified, you are not qualified, you are just a secondary school certificate, degree, you are without education, you are middle, get admission and get 6 months diploma and get Article 92 and get your resident card. These are the clips of social media, and they are right. Article 92 is open, that's not closed. But my question is only one. AIMA immigration officers are not. The government of the Portugal, the immigration policies, the people who make immigration policies, they are not watching. That we stopped Article 88, Article 89. We want skilled people come through work permit by companies conduct interviews, and people who are genuinely required by Portugal, they come. We want to clear backlog of previous applications, and people are using Article 92. Similar, AIMA is busy now in giving appointment of Article 92. What was objective of closing of Article 88, Article 89? Answer, I am telling you. AIMA knows this thing. Absolutely, AIMA immigration department knows. And I give you evidence. Did any individual get direct appointment of Article 92 through AIMA? That is the legal responsibility of AIMA. If any student who is studying in Portugal University, in Portugal colleges, in Portugal diploma colleges, and if those institutes are registered with the AIMA, their appointment are the responsibility of AIMA. According to Portugal's law, they have to give them appointment, and they have to give them resident card, and they have to give the resident card to their parents as well. You just answer me, AIMA is giving. Why AIMA is not giving? You just write in my comment how many people got Article 92 TRC directly. Very less number of the people. Few people got appointment directly now in these 3 to 4 months from AIMA, because AIMA knew people are using this way. They are not a genuine student. So what they think, in my opinion, they think, okay, let them go to the court like family appointment. If they will be genuine, let the judges will decide. Because according to AIMA, there 80 to 90% people who are studying, they are just starving for resident card only, and they did not have any intention to study. They may be student, but their primary objective is to get the resident card. So we are not able to judge they are true or false. Why not judge decide? And judge, what the judge is doing, they are deciding 50-50 ratio. Some people are getting biometric appointment, some people are not getting biometric appointment, and the reason is only same: to hire authentic super lawyer who can make the deteriorated case into the superficial case. This is the work of lawyer. Your presentation. Maybe you are very genuine, but your presentation is poor by lawyer. Your case is being handled poor by lawyer. Just like when you are given interview and you are highly qualified, but your presentation in front of interview taker is the worst, you will not get your job. But when you will even less qualified, but your conversational skills, your ideas, your authentic, your enthusiasm, your motivation is super, you will be able to get your result. Therefore, Article 92 is open, no doubt about this, and still I will say, if you want to get card, you need to select good lawyer, best lawyer. If he is charging little more money, this money is not wasted money. There is no value of money, value of your case. When you will get your card in your hand, all your money will be compensated. When you will have no resident card and you have to go back to your home country, your all money will be wasted. These 200, 300 euros will not matter for you. You give thousands and thousands of pounds to the agents when you are entering Portugal. Why you are not hiring good lawyer to win the case? And second, why you are not educated with your case? Education never means you did master's, bachelor degree. Why you are not aware of your case? You must be aware of your case. You must be aware of legal points of your case. You must discuss your case with the lawyer. When you will discuss your case with the lawyer, definitely lawyer will have in one thing in mind: this is very critical client, and he knows everything. He wanted to know each single point of the case. When I will make little bit relaxed in this case, or I will do mistake, he will definitely claim me. Why not I do this case by perfect way? Only lawyers will take interest in those cases when you will take interest in your case. This is the point. Now the people without file lock, but legal entry, still moving here and there, they are in tension, they are in dilemma, they are in anxiety. What will happen? We will get appointment, some are getting appointment. I say only one thing: nobody can remove you from Portugal. Even you got country out letter, you just go to the the court cannot refuse you. 100% there is chance that you will get your resident card. Only two things you have. You are working, or you are working self-working, means you have some work, and your work is legally registered, means you are paying taxes by any good accountant which have registration, means your work is being registered, your self-work, your self-business, and or you are working with any registered company. And those registered companies are registered truly with AIMA as well, and truly paying taxes, and you know the tax, how much tax you are being paid to the Portugal. People did not know. I say several times, this is normal case to the judge. This man is working. If this man we need to deport, why we gave him work in our country? Now lawyer can fight very easily. If this man is not good for us, why he is paying taxes to our country? He is doing job in our country in registered companies we verified is genuine, verified. These 2 points are killing points to win your case. Judge mind pricks, shake, that this man got deportation letter. He is working here in registered company. He is working here and he is deporting. He is not useless person. He is giving us money. Judge think I am getting salary by taxes, mean that he is also adding money by which we are getting salaries. These taxes which the immigrants pay run whole country. They follow immigration laws. That is not even debatable case, straightforward case. Now question is why they are giving country out letter. Country out letter they will give because they have to reduce number of immigrants. I am telling you, only tricky immigrants will stay. Straightforward, simple immigrants will not stay without file lock. The people who will be tricky, they will stay. And they knew all things. And the people who will not fight their case, even they are genuine, even they are giving more services to Portugal, even they are more eligible to stay, who will assess? You will assess your case. That I am the one useful and I have to show that I am the useful man in this society by impregnating new immigration laws in your file. Either by court, either by AIMA, either by lawyer, either by any other case. Even the security forces, if you are able to speak Portuguese language, you are able to satisfy. Overall, in 2 minutes, I will fold up what I wanted to say. Immigration will remain open. Portugal immigration will remain open. Still, people will keep going. Numbers will reduce. The compensation will reduce. The people who will be educated in immigration laws and they will understand this is the way by which I can get this benefit and this is the way by which I will get the negativity in the case and these are the skills which I need to get and these are the ways by which I can, if I am in trouble, I can get out of the trouble. If any new law is found, if he is completely aware of the genuine person, not by social media, genuine person is giving him, informing him, this thing, this is for you. Lot of good laws are upcoming, I am telling you, for those people who are useful. But if you will not know those laws, how you will apply according to those laws? Who will guide you? You have to be updated. If you will not update yourself by the new changes which is upcoming, you may not be able to survive. Country out letters will be more. In last, I will request once again, the people who are planning to give money to the agents and they have planned we will enter Portugal in legal way. This money is going to waste. Your time is going to waste. You are putting your body into tension. You are making your life into hell. Please don't try to go to Europe, Portugal. I am talking about, because my each clip will be for one country. Don't go by illegal way. Keep my words. You will be in trouble. You will not be successful. Thank you very much.